Silver, a long-term forecast for the week of July 2nd, FXEmpire.com. Silver markets had a relatively poor performance for most of the last 5 sessions, as many traders had gotten into the risk-off mode for the week. However, with a preliminary announcement on bond purchases and recapitalization of banks in Spain, the meeting in the European Union gave the markets a boost of confidence on Friday. It was essentially the Friday session that created all of the gains. As you can see now, we have a market that has formed a supportive hammer just above the 26 level, which we are actually calling 25. We think of it more as a thick zone. There are multiple levels that need to be paid attention in this market, 25 being the most obvious one, of course, but above is 30. So we think that a bounce on a break of the weekly hammer would be a buying opportunity, but only for a short term gain. It's once we get over 30 that things get really interesting, as we could run to 36. In the meantime, though, we think that the market is going to be very choppy and obviously headline driven. That's exactly what we got on Friday, and there's no reason to think that will change. With this being said, though, one point of interest is the fact that there is a descending trend line that is making this a little bit of a descending triangle. So there's lots of confusion in this market. Just be tight with your stops. Be aware of the fact that 25 does lead to much lower prices. And of course, 30 could be resistive, and you should be okay.